there are 4 key challenges facing dairy farming because of farmers. If farmers can adhere to the advice of farming or dairy farming, these challenges will never be felt. So you find that those farmers who adhere to the advice, they don't face these challenges. The first challenge is high cost of feeds and inputs. Why? Because farmers don't want to plant their feeds, they want to purchase commercial feeds. Number 2, poor breeding and genetics. Farmers don't want to use AI services, but they want to use bull mounting, which does not even reach the required status of mounting, or which is sometimes those bulls are not even healthy, and even you do not know the record of that bull. So you find that a farmer will end up coming with a poor breed and genetic, hence reducing the milk production. Number 3, inadequate veterinary services. Most farmers don't prefer calling veterinary because the vet is not around. So if you crossbreed with another animal or with another bull, you will never have a good result. When your cow is not feeling well, it is good to involve a veterinary. So these challenges come because if you don't involve a vet, then there will be a short on that inadequate veterinary services. So the other 4 key, or number 4, is market and pricing instability. You find that when it comes for milk production, if you are producing less milk in your area, the price of milk will never change. But if the milk is in high demand, this will increase the price of milk. So these 4 challenges, they are meant for farmers, and the only person who can control these 4 key challenges is the farmer, because not all farmers face these challenges, but a few. So let's fight these challenges at all costs, and thank me later.